All right, hello everybody, and welcome to today's webinar on the importance of integrated credit card processing with your Windward System 5 ERP system. This webinar is intended for our Canadian clients, and it's being run in conjunction with our integration partner, Global Payments Canada. My name is Kyle, and I'm excited to guide you through this crucial topic that can significantly enhance your business operations. And you'll be hearing from Niku after we show you how the integration works. If you're like any other business on this call, you probably get peppered with calls from credit processors trying to get you to switch to their platform. What they probably won't tell you is that there isn't any kind of integration to Windward System 5, nor will they do any development to make that happen like Global Payments did. Seamless and secure payment processing is more important than ever. As businesses strive to provide exceptional customer services, an integrated solution for credit card processing within your ERP system can make all the difference. During this webinar, we'll explore how integrated credit card processing can streamline your operations, reduce errors, and enhance your customer satisfaction. We'll also demonstrate some transaction types and scenarios where this integration proves invaluable. All right, on this next slide, there's a lot of words here, but really what it's coming down to is why integrated card processing? Well, efficiency and accuracy. Integration eliminates the need for manual data entry, reducing errors and saving valuable time for your staff. And think about those times when you've had a key error and the customer got the wrong amount charged to their card. Security and compliance. Our integration was built with protecting sensitive customer information through secure transactions at the top of our mind. Automation. Authorized payments are automatically recorded on the invoice and flow through to the end-of-day transaction report, which can save a whole lot of time in accounting. And an enhanced customer experience. The seamless checkout process can lead to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. And then we have versatility in the payment options, and we'll be demonstrating that here shortly. All right, we've already vetted Global Payments for processing with Windward System 5, and we're going to show you how this integration works. Now, due to the nature of the testing environments, we chose to pre-record this part of today's webinar. This 3-minute demonstration covers most of the scenarios.
Welcome to this demo of integrated credit card processing with Windward System 5 using Global Payments Canada. We'll be showing several transaction types to highlight the integration's versatility and ease of use. Credit or debit card transaction. First, let's process a $5 transaction with a debit or credit card using the tap function. Select Tender from the top menu, and then in this case, we'll choose Debit. The correct amount is populated on the customer-facing PIN pad. Notice how smoothly the transaction goes through, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Upon approval, the payment is recorded in the appropriate column under Tender Types. Card Not Present transaction. Next, we'll demonstrate a $6 transaction with a card not present method. This example is using the on-screen web API to collect the card rather than a physical PIN pad. This is perfect for over-the-phone transactions, offering secure and convenient processing. This functionality is common for collecting accounts receivable payments in a back-office setting. As with all transactions, the payment is recorded in the appropriate column under Tender Types upon approval. We should also mention that for all of the transactions, a token that represents the card number is saved for a future transaction, providing flexibility and security for both the merchant and the customer. Pre-authorization. Now, we'll show a pre-authorization for $7 on a Visa card. The process changes just a bit as we'll be going into the Credit Cards tab on the invoice and selecting Pre-auth. A pre-authorized transaction reserves funds for a period of 2 to 7 days depending on the card. It is not as common as the other payment options, but for some business types, being able to pre-authorize an amount is important. Pre-authorization capture. Finally, we'll complete the pre-authorization capture. This will complete the pre-authorization done earlier after work is completed or a rental is returned, whatever your business case is. This time we'll click on the Credit Cards tab in the invoice. Notice the pre-authorization token. Click on Capture button to complete the authorization, and a post-authorization token will be created. Note that even though we are processing through the PIN pad, the customer is not required to insert their credit card, as the transaction is tokenized. These straightforward methods ensure quick and reliable payment processing. As you can see, our credit card processing integration handles a variety of transaction types effortlessly, making it an ideal solution for your business needs. Thank you for watching our demonstration of integrated credit card processing with Windward System 5 and Global Payments Canada. Contact your account manager to get started.
All right, just a few notes before we move on. As you saw in the video, the transactions are tokenized. Now that's meant to prevent credit card numbers from being exposed, and if somebody were to gain any access, they wouldn't be able to get any actual credit card numbers, just tokens that represent the credit card number. And then authorized payments, they're automatically recorded on the invoice. I think we mentioned that once before here. And then they also flow through to the end-of-day transaction report. So that kind of eliminates that situation where you have to do matching and whatnot. All right, and then the purpose of this integration is to provide convenience, reduce key errors, and then of course save time in accounting.
And now I'd like to turn it over to Niku from Global Payments.
Hello everyone, my name is Niku Saranjam. I'm a Senior Partnership Manager at Global Payments Canada, and I'm pleased to announce that Windward and Global Payments have partnered to deliver the most innovative payment solutions to businesses in Canada. Global Payments is one of the oldest payment processors with over 50 years as an industry leader, servicing 150,000 businesses across Canada. We're non-bank owned and bank neutral, so you could be banking with RBC, TD, CIBC, whatever your bank is, it doesn't matter to us. We service everyone. We're a direct member of all major credit and debit cards. Whether you want to accept Visa, MasterCard, debit, Amex, you no longer have to have multiple accounts or terminals. We have consolidated all of those under one umbrella, becoming a one-stop shop for all of your payment needs. With on-site support from coast to coast during business hours and local offices in Canada providing 24/7, 365 bilingual support to ensure that your business is always up and running and able to accept payments. With a dedicated account management team aligned to you and preferred partner pricing for Windward customers, let me tell you why an integration is important in today's landscape. Our world has become fast-paced, and one of the biggest pain points about not having an integrated PIN pad is human error. Has this ever happened to you? It's busy, you're in a rush, and a zero is accidentally missed. So instead of $20, $2 is charged. I don't know about you, but I'm guilty of this. I don't pay attention and just tap my card and rarely review my statements. But as a business owner, payment reconciliation is part of your day-to-day. So when you're trying to figure out why you are short $18 by manually calculating all the receipts, you will eventually accept this as a loss, because unfortunately the reality is that not all customers are going to come back and say they were undercharged because they probably didn't notice. Now that's undercharging for an example, but what about when a zero is accidentally added? And instead of $20, the customer is charged $200. That's not going to be unnoticed. And the customer is going to go away. And if they find out, they're going to be very upset. They're going to feel betrayed. And in today's world, they're quick to go online and write a review. And that affects your business reputation. And it could be a potential chargeback. An integrated PIN pad will help your business save time and money. As you saw from the demo earlier, Windward Software is now integrated and can send messages directly to the PIN pad. This will help speed up the transaction with the user-friendly Verifone PIN P400 PIN pad you see here. You're no longer required to manually enter the transaction amount on the PIN pad, eliminating human error, and you will spend less time with reconciliation. And I want to reiterate, in addition to all of this, Windward customers benefit from the preferred partner pricing that has been negotiated for you. So you will immediately benefit from both soft and hard cost savings associated with accepting payments. And to recap, not only will you have access to an integrated PIN pad, you will also have the ability to accept payments online or over the phone securely and at a lower rate. You will have access to your funds much quicker with our next day funding feature. All of our customers also have access to Merchant Portal, where you can access reporting and business analytic tools to help you with your business analytics. Now, for more information, please contact your Windward representative, or you can also fill out the web form, windwardsoftware.com/global-payments. Thank you, and we look forward to servicing you.
If you'd like to get started with global payments and Windward Software's integration, visit windwardsoftware.com/global-payments or talk to your account manager. Thanks for attending, everybody.